and a very blessed Republic Day to all our respected dignitaries, children, staff, and everybody else who can hear us, who can feel what we are feeling today. On the very onset, I would like to thank Vinay sir, sir for coming today. Weather doesn't permit, but they are always behind us, supporting us in everything we do. And for that, the entire school is ever so grateful to you, sir, for the small, the big things that you do for us from in front and from behind the scenes. I would also like to thank the teachers, the support staff, and my wonderful children who always turn up, especially class 10. Thank you so much. I know I'm not a very easy principal to deal with, but I must tell you, it is an honor being your principal. So thank you so much. You have always been there to support me, and I would like to place on record that no event this year would have been successfully executed had it not been the support of not only the staff, but the students of classes 7, 8, 9 and 10 in particular. So thank you to all of you. I have nothing to say actually about today, because once you hear from what Om sir has to say, you get so emotional and you really sit to wonder कि क्या वाकई हम लोग इन चीज़ों को इतना महत्व देते हैं जिसको हम बिल्कुल take it for granted कहते हैं. We wake up every morning, we use transport, we have electricity, we have food on our table, we have a fantastic education, and all we do is just think it is our right. It's ours, it's there, we don't value it. And that is what these two gentlemen have been trying to teach all of us. Some of us may have a very easy excuse to say that's a human right. Well, human rights are not available to everybody. And nobody and everybody is not fortunate enough to have it. So along with saying thank you to each and every one who helps us on a daily basis, I would like all of you children to wake up every morning and say one small prayer. Take this with you lifelong. Wake up and in your bed, shut your eyes. Thank God for giving you a new day. Ask them to bless your parents for giving them to you, your friends. Say thank you for your friends, for your family. Say thank you for the education you have, the food you eat, the life you lead. And also ask for strength that you can make a difference in somebody else's world. As Sir rightly said, had those people not worked, not sacrificed, today you and I would not be standing here breathing in a free country. And please don't think that your children, I'm small, what can I do? You can start today. And the most important emotion that you must carry with you lifelong, as Sir said, is gratitude, responsibility with accountability. Demanding a right कि ये मेरा है, ये मेरा अधिकार है, I should be treated equally, and I should have the right to education, right to good food, right to public transport is all fine. The point is you also respect that. Do you spit on the road? Do you throw chocolate wrappers on the road? Do you put off the fans and lights every time you leave a room? What is your contribution to society at large? Value the education and the life you have, children. And if every individual in our country follows the constitution that was drafted in the year 1950, and if we just promise on a daily basis, baby steps, today I'll do everything by the book. Today I'll value the rules and regulations set aside for me. We can pass on our legacy to you, and you can pass on your legacy to the upcoming generations. So thank you one and all for always being there, and let's salute our country once again, salute the good things that we have, not only what we had in the past, but what we have in the present, what we have today. And I would like everybody now to please stand in attention as we conclude with Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam Sasya Shyaamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande